welcome to True North Insurance Guide, your go-to source for tips on auto and home insurance in Canada. I'm Charles, your insurance advisor, and my goal is simple: to help you understand, save, and make smart decisions about protecting what matters most. Whether you're buying your first car, shopping for a better home insurance policy, or just looking for tips to save money, then you need to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so that you don't miss our amazing content. The recent earthquake in Myanmar served as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of natural disasters, highlighting the critical need for proper preparedness. This event underscored the importance of earthquake insurance, a crucial safety net that can provide financial relief during such catastrophic events. In this episode, we delve into the devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake that struck Myanmar on March 28, 2025, highlighting the critical importance of earthquake insurance. We will explore the event's impact, the common myths surrounding earthquake insurance, and how to effectively protect yourself. Let's get right into it. Imagine waking up to a normal day in your city, going to work, kids going to school, shops opening. Then within seconds, the ground shakes, buildings collapse, and life changes forever. This is what happened in Myanmar on March 28, 2025, when a massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck. Thousands of homes and businesses were destroyed, and many families lost everything. The earthquake left over 3,000 people dead and thousands injured. But beyond the tragic loss of life, there's something else people rarely talk about: the financial devastation. Homes, businesses, and entire neighborhoods were wiped out. And here's the shocking truth: most of the victims did not have earthquake insurance.
In mere moments, our home and all our belongings were reduced to rubble.
Without financial assistance, rebuilding our lives feels insurmountable.
Earthquakes occur due to the sudden release of energy along fault lines, causing seismic waves. The Sagaing Fault, a major right lateral strike-slip fault in Myanmar, was responsible for this recent event. Myanmar's location along active tectonic boundaries makes it susceptible to significant seismic activity, as evidenced by this recent disaster. A lot of people think they don't need earthquake insurance. Maybe you've heard someone say, "I already have home insurance, so I'm covered." Earthquakes hardly ever happen here, or earthquake insurance is just too expensive. But are these beliefs true? Let's find out. Myth number 1, my home insurance covers earthquakes. This is one of the most common and dangerous myths. Most standard home insurance policies do not cover earthquake damage. That means if an earthquake destroys your home, you will have to pay for repairs out of pocket. Imagine this: your home is gone. You call your insurance company only to hear,
"Sorry, earthquakes aren't covered."
That's why earthquake insurance is a separate policy that you must specifically request. If you're not sure if you have it, call your insurer today and ask. Myth number 2, earthquakes rarely happen here. Some people believe earthquakes won't happen where they live. But here's the truth: statistics prove that earthquakes are becoming more frequent, making insurance essential. Recent devastating earthquakes in Haiti, Chile, and China, as well as magnitude 7+ earthquakes in Indonesia and California, are true testaments of the fact. And scientists warn that more earthquakes will happen in the future. So the question isn't, will there be an earthquake? But will you be ready when it happens? Myth number 3, earthquake insurance is too expensive. Yes, earthquake insurance costs money, but not having it could cost you everything. Let's break it down. The cost of earthquake insurance per year, around a few $100s. The cost of rebuilding a destroyed home could be hundreds of thousands of dollars. If an earthquake hits and you don't have insurance, you'll have to pay for repairs yourself. Or worse, you might lose your home completely. Instead of asking, "Can I afford earthquake insurance?" ask yourself, "Can I afford to lose my home if disaster strikes?" Myth number 4, the government will help me if an earthquake destroys my home. It's easy to think, if an earthquake destroys my home, the government will step in and help. But here's the reality: government aid might help with basic survival needs like food and shelter, but it won't pay to rebuild your home or replace your lost belongings. It won't cover your mortgage payments if your house is destroyed. Many people assume help will come, But disaster relief programs are limited and often take months or even years to provide assistance. That's why the best plan is to protect yourself with earthquake insurance. Now that we've cleared up the myths, let's talk about how you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Step 1. Get earthquake insurance. Call your insurance provider and ask about earthquake coverage. Compare different policies to find one that fits your budget. Step 2. Secure your home, bolt your furniture to the walls to prevent falling hazards. Strengthen your home's foundation if it's in a high-risk area. Step 3. Create an emergency plan. Have an emergency kit with food, water, and medical supplies. Practice earthquake drills with your family. Step 4. Know what to do after an earthquake. Check for injuries and help others if you can. Turn off gas and electricity to prevent fires. Contact your insurance provider to start the claims process. Investing in earthquake insurance and preparedness not only safeguards individual assets, but also strengthens community resilience and accelerates recovery. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Contact your insurance provider today to discuss earthquake coverage options and ensure you're protected against the unexpected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more smart insurance tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.